Hello, kind people! Today we will learn how to assemble a Rubik's Cube. First we need to assemble a cross whose side faces will match in color with the center of the sides of the cube. I choose to collect the white cross first. To do this we collect a white cross with a yellow center on the opposite side from the white center. Great! The white cross with a yellow center is ready. Now we need to move the white tips of the cross in the opposite direction. To do this, combine the side of the white cross with the side center of the cube, so that the colors are the same. And turn it over to the opposite side to the white center. Great, we got a white cross whose sides match the color of the side centers of the cube. Now you need to completely assemble the white side so that the colors of the sides match the colors of the center of the cube. To do this, we find the white side in the lower tier of the cube and look at which two colors are still on the faces. Here we see white, green and red colors. Twist the cube so that this part is between the green and red centers of the cube. And we make such a combination. If necessary, repeat the combination several times so that the colors match. And so we compare all the white faces. Great, we have collected one of their 3 layers. Now we move on to the second layer. Turn the cube right side down. We compare the colors of the center and the top layer. And turn the top layer in the opposite direction from the same color on the top layer and the center of the face of the cube. And we make such a combination. There may be a situation where one of the color will be yellow. Don't worry, do the combination again and again, getting right of the yellow color. Great! We will assemble the second layer. Now we move on to the last layer. To do this, we need to make a yellow cross. Looking for a corner of yellow and turn the cube so that the yellow corner look like this. And we make such a combination. We got a yellow stripe and repeat the combination. Great! We got a yellow cross. Now we need to match the colors of the side faces. We find the sides where the colors match. If necessary, you can twist the top layer. When two matches are found, the first one should be on the right and the second one behind. And we make such a combination. And again we compare the colors. Great, all the colors matched. Now the final stage remains. We need to match the colors again. We use this combination to mix the corners. And we are looking for color matches. Here we have a match. the angle is between its colors. And we make such a combination. Great, the angle matches the color. This corner should be at the top left. And mix the corners as before. And we are looking for a color match. If there are no matches, then mix it again. There is a match in color, making the combination that was before. Congratulations, you did it! Thank you for watching. Write in the comments how you did it.